Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit of a beauty haul. This is totally different, not really this type of videos I do. Just wanted to share a little bit of my online on Sephora and also little finds that I found at Target. And the first thing I'm going to be talking about is this e.l.f. primer. The internet went wild with these, and honestly, for the price of this, it's very good. So I got two of them. I'm actually gonna give one to my friend, and this is very good, very affordable. So if you guys are looking for a good primer, this one, trust me, you guys will like it. Also, what I got at Target is actually this little mini wet brush. I like small brushes just because the big ones, I have small hands, so this one I feel like I could actually hold on to it. So this is why I bought this one. And I also got these are my favorite chapsticks. This one is from the Nivea brand, and this one came in a set of 2, and this one was $3.49. yeah, so if you guys are looking for a chapstick as well, this one is so good. Now I'm going to be talking about the Glow recipe. This one is a Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, and I am totally obsessed with this. This is actually probably the 5th bottle I've purchased already, and I just love it. You can see lady peeking there. So this is so good. This one's glass, and I just love this one if you guys ever want a good moisturizer, because the thing is, I have oily skin and this actually really helps me a lot. So go Glow recipe. Another Glow recipe, and this is their new pore tight toner. It's the PHA plus BHA. Okay, kind of a tongue twister there. And the packaging is adorable too with the watermelon. And this one has a lot of benefits. Let me read the box. Watermelon, it has hyaluronic acid, it has cactus water, PHA, and BHA. So all the description is in the back, and it has the same packaging as the other one too. How cute. And it says, "Hey Glow Gang." This one is actually glass as well. It's more liquidy. I'm very excited to try this. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is this brand of the Dermalogica, and this one is in the mini one. They have the big one. That one was $59, and I didn't want to buy something that was kind of pricey, especially because I never tried it, so I got the mini one. But this one was $15, and I'm also excited to try this one. It says Brightening Powder Exfoliant, so I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to try all my stuff, honestly. And this one from Too Faced, this is my all-time favorite setting spray. And this one is from the Too Faced of Hangover 3-in-1 Prime, Set, and Refresh. And this smells amazing. This smells like coconut. Let me open it so you guys can see the packaging. This is probably my 4th time buying this already, and I love it, guys. It's so cute. Even the packaging, everything pink, obviously, for some reason. One of the last one I'm going to be talking about, it's a product I've heard of but never used. It's from the brand of Tatcha. I actually ran out of my face wash, so I'm so excited to actually use this. I'm going to be using this today. So this is the packaging. It's so pretty, so elegant, and I really love it. And this one, it's a deep cleanse, a clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. Has the directions here, but isn't the packaging so pretty? I think this is too adorable. Last but not least is this cute, adorable, I think it's mermaid-like tumbler from Starbucks. I actually got this when I went to the grocery store at Bonds. They have a Starbucks there, and I just love the colors on this. It does remind me of mermaid, kind of reminds me of Ariel. It's just so pretty. And I usually don't buy a lot of the Starbucks cups just because these are so huge. There's no room how I could store these if I did buy a collection of these. So comment down below, guys. Let me know if you guys have a lot of your Starbucks cups, if you guys are obsessed with those, and how you guys store these, because I would like to know. And I also forgot, when I went to Target, I ended up buying these two teas. And I never tried the one on the left, which is Prickly Pear Cactus. I'm so tempted to start making myself a tea. And this one's just a regular awake English breakfast tea, which is black tea. I love drinking this very cold. I think it's so delicious. And then you could just add a sweetener if you wanted to, but I actually like mine just like this. And that is it with the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, just remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You could also follow me on Instagram under the name of Choppa Jazz. Do you like this? You like the smell? Good? Good girl. This is so good, guys. If you guys you can see Lady peeking there. You really want to be in this video? You want to come out? You want the viewers to see you? Are you being a good girl? Never use. It's from the brand of Tatcha. Lady, if you see a little tail right there, that's Lady. You're being nosy? You're being nosy?